And now to the main shopping centre in Milton Keynes. First, the lift in Sports Direct, which is cheap, it's a generic.
Going up.
It runs quite nicely. After the initial jolt when it starts up it's quite smooth, but then levels. Now to the lift in H&M. Which is not an eco-disc, it's a Stannah. It's from the era when Stannah lifts were cheap but still somewhat interesting. I think this seems to be contour of a hydraulic or an MRL has a motor room. Next, the main lifts in the Midsummer Place shopping centre. I'm sure these used to have glass doors. Otis 2000.
We've got ground. Going up. We go down. Smile for the camera. This is on
Now it's the lift in Dagenham. So this is car park level 2, P2, not opening its doors.
Going down. Doors closing. First floor. Children's wear, homeware, restaurant, travel agent, wedding services. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Ground floor. Accessories, cosmetics, menswear. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Now into Top Shop, where the lift is. This layout feels strangely familiar. Come on lift, do something. The lift's finally here. '21st century lifts. Oh, I hate that company. This is so slow. This
Ground floor.
The flashing alarm activated. New look has a platform lift with a Schaefer button. You know what would be really nice is if they had a tram going through here. And now into Sunset Walk and into Marks and Spencer. And the lifts here are some ExpressEvans. It says the speed in the lift is 1 metre a second. That's a mundane speed. And now into House of Fraser.
Doors closing.
The lift here appears to have once been an express lift, but it's been modernised.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now into Boots. This is the upper level, it has the opticians, and it feels like a shopping centre section. It's so weird. Now to the lift. Oh, this looks so cheap. It's a Kleemann. It's really cheap.
Doors closing.
The chime's low bit rate.
Ground floor. Doors.
And now to the lift into K-Max, which is an advanced lift with a cheap low bit rate chime. It takes ages to start up and it's really slow. And now into net. That lift looks like it has such a cheap roof. The roof of the lift car is really cheap.
First floor. Mind the doors, please.
It's an Oakland boring. Now to the lift in John Lewis, which is a Kone office series. I was zoomed in. It's slow. There's an engineer from Otis. Ah, I tripped. There are idiots in this lift. These are just go rather than you. This might sound a bit unbelievable, but the next shopping centre is called, guess what it's called? The Food Centre. That's a really weird name for a shopping centre. The Food Centre has express lifts, but they're not classic express lifts. They've got Dewhurst buttons and they're hydraulic. The only interesting thing about them is that they have an analogue indicator.
Lift going up.
Express Northampton.
Doors closing.
Neither the analogue nor
First floor.
The analog indicator doesn't
Doors
work, nor does the
opening.
digital indicator.
Doors closing.
I can still hear some
Third floor.
faint clicking,
Door
but this is a
opening.
bottom-driven hydraulic lift and we're at the top floor. It would be weird to put the motor room up here. Those buttons still work, they've got stickers over them, but they are set with these lifts, so I push the down button. It called the lift on the other side. And in
Door
this lift,
closing.
the analog indicator does work, as does the digital indicator. I really like analog indicators. There are so many
Ground
lifts in this
floor.
country with analog indicators that don't work.
Doors opening.
Oh dear, they've trusted Stannah with their lifts.
Doors closing.
Knowing Stannah, when they're done with them, the analog indicators won't work. And now into the Xscape shopping centre. And now to the first lift, which is a Schindler D-series.
Lift going up. Second floor. Lift going down.